how to import products from Aliexpress to Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can simply import products from Aliexpress to Shopify. Well, firstly, come on to shopify.com. After that, simply click on login or start free trial if you don't want to buy it right now. After that, once you guys have either logged in or signed up, I'll catch you guys in 1 second. So once you guys have signed up or logged in, after that, you guys are going to see this particular page. So now from over here, simply click on the left side where you see the apps button. After that, simply click on recommended applications. And now from over here, click on Shopify App Store. Now, as soon as you guys click on Shopify App Store, that's going to take you guys over to their App Store. So once you guys come onto their App Store, now click on the search bar and type in Aliexpress. So as soon as you type in Aliexpress, after that, simply type in product. So as soon as you type in products, simply click on Aliexpress products sync. Now, once you guys do that, now you guys can simply click on add if you guys see the add button. If you guys don't see the add button, simply type in the search bar Aliexpress once again. And then after that, from over here, simply wait for a few seconds. And now from over here, simply click on Aliexpress, simply click on Ali Orders, Aliexpress Dropship. Now, this particular tool is going to allow you to basically import products, auto-fulfill Aliexpress orders, and DSER's alternative. So all in all, this is a great plugin that you guys can use to basically import products from Aliexpress to Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Take care. Till next time, goodbye.